birthday weekend. Beautiful view.
So we walked Mama in the bathroom and we did the decorations here. Birthday to the best. Happy birthday.
So finally we got the reservation. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sharma Family USA vlog, and I'm very excited and happy because I just got a surprise. So it's my birthday on Diwali, so Ashu planned this staycation. So I was not aware of the resort where we are going to stay. We are here at San Diego only, and this is the newly constructed resort. It's called Gaylord Resort, and look at the view from our balcony. So you can see how beautiful this property is, and we are going to stay here for a night. So मुझे ये पता था कि हम लोग staycation के लिए जा रहे हैं because this is Diwali festive time going on and I don't want to travel. So I think we are going to Palm Spring or somewhere, but I didn't know San Diego में हम लोग stay करने वाले हैं. जहाँ पर हम रहते हैं वहाँ से hardly 1 hour का drive है. और देखिए क्या ब्यूटीफुल ये रिसोर्ट है. और दिस इज़ आवर रूम. लेट मी गिव यू आवर रूम टूर. सो दिस इज़ द बालकनी, और बालकनी से आ रहा है ब्यूटीफुल व्यू. लुक एट दो स्लाइड्स, एंड अभी इज सुपर एक्साइटेड मोर देन मी बिकॉज ही लव वाटर स्लाइड्स. दे हैव लाइक पूल स्लाइड्स, एंड ये ओशन व्यू आ रहा है. और आइए आपको दिखाते हैं रूम. So this is 2 queen bed और ये balloons. Yesterday I celebrated my birthday with my girlfriends and my friend gave me this birthday balloon. It's with us here, and abhi on the way we picked the cake, and this is the room right now. यहाँ पर है ये TV, like decent space है यहाँ पर, and we have refrigerator and everything, not microwave. So it's a good property. If you are planning to come to San Diego and you want to stay here, this is the perfect place for you. दिस इज़ द गेलॉर्ड प्रॉपर्टी. हम लोगों ने अभी पार्किंग किया था, चेक इन कर लिया है. सो वी आर थिंकिंग टू गो फॉर पूल साइड एरिया. सो वी आर पार्किंग आवर कार और सेल्फ पार्किंग. Thank you for choosing to spend your anniversary with us on property. As a token of thanks, we sincerely hope you enjoy the complimentary amenities we have placed in the room for your special occasion. Alice Bank and Shape. Thank you so much, Gaylord Pacific. So we got the champagne with the chocolates. Thank you so much. Thank you. And now we are all set to hit the pool. So this is the first pool. So this is the wave pool.
It's like the ocean wave. You want to go the other one first?
That's the wave pool, and this is the lazy river.
Lazy river.
This is what I want to do. This is the lazy river.
I don't want these. I want to swim by myself.
Oh, this is not for swimming. It's just for floating.
Lazy river.
You can
float
float.
around. Yeah, it will float around.
And you can have a lot of fun. Come.
This is another pool.
This is the most favorite part. Slides, water slides for fun. Oh my god, this is a big slide. Avish, are you excited about it? So this one is the wave pool. Look at the waves. Avish had fun at wave pool. Like the wave pool?
Yes, so much.
So now we are going to do lazy river. I first want to do lazy river, and after that we'll do some slides. And so come together, okay? Okay, I don't want to fall down.
Like this, Avish.
Like this, Daddy. Avi.
And that's it. Come here.
Avi, come here, hold on. Wait, I am coming to you. Yes. Now we are together.
Hold my hand. Look here.
We are here. This is the lazy river. It's a relaxing weekend. It's a free birthday weekend.
Say hi. Hello. Aloha.
We are not. This is San Diego.
Where's your glasses, Avish?
You did not give me a...
Okay. Did you fall down? Very nice. Hold your tube now. He's swimming. Come. We're gonna do the slide now. Are you going to slide? Let's go. Come on, come on, come on. This is the resort, pool, lazy river. Daddy?
Alrighty, friends. You guys ready to rock?
Oh yeah?
Alright, top one to the right. You guys got this.
Okay.
Unfortunately, I only do one.
Okay. Be careful, okay? Hey, Mama. Oh, she's here.
It was super fast. हो गया मैंने.
You guys are good to go.
Go. Bye. Wave is here. Wave pool. We are at the wave pool now. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's Hey, look here.
A few hours later.
Sunset time. We are getting ready for our dinner, and look at this beautiful view. Oh my god, looking so gorgeous. Amazing evening time. लोग वहाँ पर थे. That's the slide area and we did that lazy river. Oh, they have like a small slide also for the small kids. That is the lazy river, wave pool, another lap pool. So they have one lap pool, wave pool, lazy river, small kids slide area, big kids and adults sliding, lazy river, and the view.
One hour later.
Afish,
Hi.
Mama is getting ready. Let's do some decoration. Okay?
Okay.
What do you think? For surprise her. And let me bring the gift which I bought for Mama. Okay?
Okay.
From the car. Okay, can you stay here?
Daddy is doing decoration for Mama birthday. Look.
Hi.
Look at Daddy. Hello. So we walked Mama in the bathroom and we did the decorations here. This is Mama's and Daddy's bed and this is my bed.
तो हमने विशाखा को बाथरूम में बंद कर दिया है. तब तक हमने ये डेकोरेशन की है यहाँ पे, जस्ट टू सरप्राइज हर.
Do you like the cake?
This is the cake.
Yummy.
This is some gift we bought for Vishakha birthday, right? Mama
Guess-
birthday?
You have to guess what it is.
Okay. And now you have to call Mama. Let's see. Okay? Can you go call Mama?
Okay. Don't open your eyes.
Okay. But I may fall down, Avish. Can I open my eyes now?
No. No.
Can I open my eyes now?
Wait. Wait. No.
Can I open my eyes now?
I wish you now.
Yes.
Oh! Oh! Oh my God! It's looking so beautiful.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Happy birthday to you.
To the best. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to the best, Mama. Birthday to the best. Happy birthday to the best. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Thank you,
to the
Avish.
best.
Come here.
Wow.
You want this part?
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Yummy!
Thank you so much.
Later that night.
So finally we got the reservation.
Yes, the rice, and then harissa mayo, and
The next day.
It's a morning view.
moments later.
Let's go, let's go. Where are we going, Avish?
To the pool area where the game room is.
You want to show the game room to the viewers?
Yes.
Why game room is so important to you? Oh, here is the game room. Punch the camera. This is the cute small game room. So if you are coming with the kids, they can play games here.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
So this is Ululani Hawaiian Shave Ice.
So this shave ice cream in San Diego, and this is from Hawaii.
Maui. Yeah, it was in Maui.
This one is in Maui. Okay.
So after the fire, they moved it here.
So this is the real
Yeah.
owner,
Ululani.
same owner.
Ululani Hawaiian Shave Ice.
So this is the Moi's Hawaii ice cream. Which one you want to eat, Amish?
Roselani ice cream.
This is how we celebrated my birthday this year. और अगर आपको हमारा ये छोटा सा बर्थडे सेलिब्रेशन का व्लॉग पसंद आया है तो प्लीज लाइक, सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर. जल्दी मिलते हैं आपसे न्यू व्लॉग के साथ. टिल देन बाय बाय. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग.